In this video, I'm going to show you how to backtest on Exness. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that backtesting is not fully available in Exness. However, you can use bar replay and then do backtesting manually, okay? So to do this, you want to go to your personal area, click on trading top left, and then go to your Exness terminal. Now, for this, of course, you could use your demo account. It doesn't have to be a real account. As you can see, I have my demo account up here. If it's not selected for you, go to switch account and switch to your demo account that you want to use. From here, to use a bar replay and then of course manually backtest, you can just go and click on this button up top above your chart next to indicators, which is like the two arrows back and it says bar replay. So click on that and then click on where it says jump to over here and then just click wherever on your chart where you want to jump back to. So I'm going to click on over here. There we go. I'm going to jump back there. And then from here, I can just go and play. I can go forward or I can go back to real time. So if I play this, as you can see, this is the price action. I can now stop it. And I can, for example, go and like write down an order, and then I can go forward and I can see, okay, there we go. Let's say here, I can do an order again, but this part is going to have to be manual because of course you can't actually go and trade and backtest regularly. You can only go and use the bar replay, which essentially is just like a part of a backtest, but still can help you if you're doing backtesting manually, okay? So I'm gonna go and play this, and if you click on forward, that's gonna go forward one candle. This could also be quite useful. So for example, let's say you want to make a trade like over here, you can then go forward, you can make a trade like over here or whatever, okay? You can write that down, maybe like in the notes app or whatever, and then kind of backtest manually that way. But of course, if you're looking for standard backtesting other than bar replay, the Exness web terminal does not offer this just yet. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.